The SoFi Credit Card isn't like most. It earns unlimited 2% cashback on everything when you redeem into a SoFi account. Here's how to maximize it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you need to be a SoFi member. Apply for the card, and once approved, use it for your everyday spending. There are no rotating categories to track, just a flat 2% back on all purchases. Your rewards are called SoFi Rewards Points. You earn 2 points per dollar spent. The key is in the redemption. To get the full 2% value, you must redeem your points for statement credits, into a SoFi Invest account, or to pay down an eligible SoFi loan. My crucial pro tip: set up automatic redemption. In your SoFi credit card settings, you can enable Auto Redeem to automatically cash out your points every month. This ensures you're always getting that full 2% value and putting your rewards to work without even thinking about it. Turn all your spending into a steady stream of cash back or investment deposits. Do you prefer flat-rate cashback cards or ones with bonus categories? For more guides on maximizing rewards, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.